Hello, good morning. I'm Rafaela. Today I'll talk about strategic analysis of emerging drone technology for competitive advantage in companies. I explain a little bit about drones and how they are being used in companies for commercial purpose, and I will apply the Porter's 5 force in two companies that they are already using drones to deliver food, to deliver stuffs, and I explain a little bit the impact of it on society today and in the future. I start to talk about drones. The drone was created in 1970 by Abraham Karim, born in Iraq, for use by military air forces. Today it is used for leisure, to take pictures, to making videos. It's very popular, but it's also for agriculture, monitoring borders, combating deforestation, transport medicine, vaccines, and blood bags. It is used a lot for good things and also for research, education, science, and they created already a new sport with drones. It has several controllers, sensors, a camera, and a GPS that allows it to fly safely. The fastest drone reached a speed of 288 kilometers per hour, but the most popular is around the 50 kilometers per hour. It depends of the model. The most popular drone reaches up to 8 kilometers in distance of the operator, but it changes according to the model. There are different models with different price and the different weights. The battery life of the most popular drones is between 20 and 30 minutes, but it can change as well. Weather condition it's a big problem for drones, such as wind, rain. Another problem is the battery life, buildings and trees. It can decrease the performance, and the drone can fly faster or slower. It depends. The legislation says in many countries that the maximum weight is 120 meters above ground level, and the maximum that the it can fly it's where you can see. If you cannot see the drone anymore, you cannot fly. But it depends of the legislation. In Ireland, if you have a drone weighing more than 250 grams, or if the drone has a camera, you have to take a course and pay a fee of 30 euros to receive a license to operate the drone, valid for 2 years. If the drone weighs more than 4 kilos, extra training is required. So it's good because it's dangerous, and if you want to use it, you have to learn how to use it. It's like a car or motor, you have to have a license. It's everything for our safety, but it's a new market because you have to pay for it. About the application of Porter's Fire Force, here in Dublin, in Balbriggan region, Tesco and Subway, they are using drones to deliver food, deliver anything that you want until 3 kilos, and they are using drones from the company Mana, and you can receive from the Millfield Shopping Center until 2 kilometers from this shopping center. And it's really interesting because it's here in Dublin, it's closer to us, and I use these companies to apply the Porter's 5 force. First of all, I try to use the app, Mana app, and here it's really simple to use it. You just select the company that you want to, like for example Tesco or Subway in this case, but there is another shops like ice cream shop, coffee shop, game shops, and you choose the where you like to receive the order, but it's just in Balbriga, and then you select a place that the drone will drop your order, but it's not allowed like in roads and in roofs. It doesn't allow to confirm. About the forces, I will start here. Number one, rivalry among existing competitors. There is a rivalry between competitors today, such as Tesco and Lidl, but only Tesco is using drones to make deliveries. So Tesco is in advantage as deliveries will be faster and the shopping experience can improve because the customers will be happy because the delivery was fast, it was cheaper, and the food will not be cold, and the complaints may decrease. Force number two, bargaining power of suppliers. So there is no many companies today that are offering drones to companies because it's a new technology, new market. So the drones companies dictate the values. Number three, bargain powers of buyers. Buyers do not have a higher power in negotiation today, but they can say, like, for example, Tesco, I need more drones than a small market. So it has the power. And the another power for the buyers is they are being using as a test. So that's it. Number four, threat of new entrants. As it is a new and growing market, there is still no threat of new entrants. In the near future, companies may start offering quieter and more reliable drones, and that will be the threat. Number five, threat of substitute products. Well, it's difficult to imagine a new technology for products or services that go beyond drone deliveries, which brings so many benefits to users, to the environment, and companies. It could just be more advanced drones or traditional delivery by humans. I show here a small video, food delivery by drones. It's from this company. It was here in Dublin. The guy ordered a hamburger and he ordered it, the company received the order, and they started making the hamburger, and then they put it inside the drone. And they are like in a car parking, but it's now a drone park. And after 3 minutes, 5 minutes, they said it is delivered. The noise is annoying, but in few years you have everything in our hands. Now I talk about the impact on society. According to a survey, just 8% of people who answer the survey are not curious or interested in receiving a delivery by drone. So most of people are curious, interested, they want to receive something by delivery. So it's a lot of people and there are already millions of drones in the air, and the drones are not just used by delivery. Like I explained before, there are a lot of things that drones are being used, and the impact is the use of drones can cause damage to health, like the noise it's too annoying, and it can cause stress, can cause damage to our hearing, it can cause a heart attack, and may not be so safe. Like we can hurt ourselves, we can hurt each other, and it can crash somewhere and fall down. The I think the biggest concern is about the invasion of privacy and how safe you will be being surrounded by drones with cameras everywhere. And the drones are being used to transport drugs and bombs, and it can go to prison. It's really dangerous, and in many countries it's not allowed to use drones anymore. Another impact will be about the delivery guys, because million of them will become unemployed, being replaced by machines, and there is an impact on the environment because the birds are being more aggressive, because the drones around, and people are using drones to attack animals, and once again we are invading their space. And the another big problem is most of society still doesn't discuss about it, but it's about the future of the urban air mobility, because there is no regularization or airspace. Like for example, Amazon, they haven't started delivery yet because they will deliver big in large scale. So the regularization about the flow of drones, about the roads, and the who can fly it, and there is a lot of discussion about it, and we are really late because the technology it's already done. So I showed just a small here. It is already done for people, so it can be scared, but at the same time, for some people, it can be very excited. Thank you.